Well, hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm laying here on the ground on my John Deere. I was watching some videos the other day, and I was watching some of you other John Deere people probably might watch Tractor Time with Tim. It's a good channel. Well, I noticed the other day, I hadn't noticed it, but he had a video of a recall that he heard from another channel. I can't remember. Shoot, I can't remember which channel he heard it from, to be honest with you. And it is not a bushing. I can't remember what they call it, but it involves your brake pedal. And the part was made out of cast aluminum. And they had people that lost their brakes because that part cracked. And there's a recall on it right now. As far as I know, I haven't heard nothing from John Deere about it. So I'm going to show you the part. So that way, if you haven't heard nothing about it and you got a little, and this, I'm sorry, but this involves I know it involves mine, the 1025R, and I think the 1023. I'm not sure if it's the 2023, but if you got those models, and it's from 2017 to 2022 when they were manufactured dates. Well, I bought mine in 2021, so I'm sure it had to be manufactured in that time frame. So I decided to come down here and look at my tractor, and lo and behold, let me show you here. I may have to put, let's see here. I'm going to try to show you. Let's see here. Get my eyes on. See that right there? Right there where my finger's at. That's the crack. That's the part. Sure enough. Now, I haven't lost my brakes. But we don't use the brakes constantly. My gas pedal kind of helps me out, and I just go forward reverse, but I do use my brakes. There's a better look at it right there. And this part, where you can find it, it's right here by your other pedals. Even though it involves your brake pedal, which is on that side, this rod, the camera keeps, this rod over here, it's going through there, connected to my brake pedal, and it comes over here to right there, and then it goes out to your brakes. There's the other part of the rod back here. All right, so now I deal with contacting John Deere. I'll still use my tractor because I haven't noticed anything, and we're pretty much, when we use it, we're on the flatter ground. But I am gonna change it out. It's gonna be fun to change out too. Got a cotter pin up here. Can't hardly see up in there. And then you got two bolts coming through from the back side. So I'll have to get a socket up in between my pedals here. Try not to take everything apart. All right. I'll come back with an update sometime in the near future. I've been ran over. Ran over the, oh boy, the dog toy a few weeks ago. And we just ain't had time to mess with it. So now we're getting her out. One thing I forgot to bring down was a knife. Well, there's part of it. There it comes. Maybe. All right. There's the culprit. Guess we have to get him a new one now. He didn't play with it a whole lot anyway. All right. Like my setup here. See if I can scoot back a little bit. Oh. There's my setup. Instead of jacking it up, I just drive it up on them ramps a little bit. I try to do a little bit taller than that before, that way I don't have to take my deck all the way up on the ramp. Gives me a little bit more room, but I could actually, I changed the blades on it like that. I think I did a video on that. Yeah, I did a video on it. So, anyway, we got one problem solved and found out about another problem. So we'll be calling John Deere here soon, seeing about that part that's supposed to be on recall that we haven't heard about. If I hadn't been watching YouTube, I wouldn't have heard about it. YouTube can be a good thing, I guess. All right. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you this weekend. I guess we're going to be doing some more video. The storms are done. Cleanup on our road is pretty much done, I believe. I know our section got cleared out. So, hope you all stayed safe wherever you're at. Have a good night, good day. God bless. See you next time.